How to fix Twitch not loading on Firefox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your device. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find all these options. Scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, in here on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Manage Browsing Data. In Manage Browsing Data, click on Twitch.tv and press on Remove Selected at the bottom left. After you've done that, press on Save Changes. After you're done clicking on Save Changes, now click on Extension and Themes at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here on the left side, you will find Extensions. Click on Extensions, and if there is any extensions available, simply remove the extensions or simply turn extensions off. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Twitch not loading on Firefox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.